So what is up, squad? What is up, gang?
For the best quality while watching this video, make sure your settings are on 1080.
What is up, my keys and queens? Y'all, it's Christmas break. It's Christmas break. It's your girl and Miss Maria J. We're back with another vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram at miss.mariaj. That's ms.maraj. And then my YouTube Instagram at Queens World TV. That's at QUEENS World TV _. Let's get into the video. If you're new here, I'm in college. I go to Alabama State University. Yes, big mistakes. And we begin a month off for Christmas break. Now, I had no plans for Christmas break because I don't ever get a break. I take classes year round, including the summer. Casey's finna come get me. Where are we going? I don't even remember, but she said that she was finna come get me. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna see. And she hates when I record. Yeah. But I'm gonna do it anyway. We're at Ragaroma and I'm just gonna say this not my bag. Bitch. Cause last time I didn't bring no bag to Ragaroma. I went to play those, but I didn't vlog that day, so y'all don't even know about that. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. Yo. She broke the bag.
And I never cared. You strong.
Okay. I broke a nail already today anyway, so it really don't matter.
Ooh, I'm so ashamed. This bag is huge.
Okay, come on.
Ooh. She don't have no shame about herself.
Yeah. We all want the same thing out here. Money.
Hello, Clarky. Yep, we finna go. Where is it?
Where is it? It's right here.
Oh,
This is what happens when you be trying to hurry up.
right.
You're not even holding it right.
How you supposed to hold it?
You gotta hold it up.
I am. Damn, everybody brought all this shit. The line low-key long. You gonna tell her?
Nobody told me. Well, they don't let us record in there, but nobody told me to find shit was in Ragaroma. Nobody told me that. We should have been thrifting over here instead of over there.
Where do we park?
To the fashion girlies. Yo, man in Ragaroma. You better get over here quick. This for her birthday, but she had bought one already, so she gave me one for a Christmas gift.
Nobody repping their favorite color harder than me, ever.
Don't be asking me why I don't have a boyfriend.
Cause who told y'all that? Who said I didn't have a boyfriend?
Like, what? Don't be asking me that. Cause it's real strict over here. You wanna try your luck? Good luck. Cause a lot of people don't even get to try their luck.
If it's nothing else that you should know about me, you should know that I'm gonna troll every chance I get, and you'll never know the truth unless you just be around me. So, relax on the questions.
Are you still recording? Oh, I'm like, it's TP78 and the second one is DY37.
You have a receipt?
No.
Second one over there.
If we would ever get up there, like, just taking some.
Fish fry, okay.
And then she's talking about honestly. Like, that was. I said, you writing your list up and giving it to Santa?
Okay, so it's Christmas Day now. We already went to breakfast this morning. I did not take my camera because I thought all my batteries was dead, but apparently one of them was charging. I ain't know, so I just tried to charge the other ones. Yeah. And now we finna get ready to go to my auntie house, but I changed my clothes already, so I didn't even get to see the outfit. But you follow me on TikTok, which y'all should be doing at miss.mariaj, ms.maraj. Do that. You will see what I had on because I made some TikToks today. Yeah, I'm just ready to eat. Y'all know I gets down. I gets hungry. And I gets down. So it's time. So it's time to get down. And we got the Popeyes turkey. If you don't know about that Popeyes turkey, you need to get that Popeyes turkey. I'm also going to be doing my room over the break. So that, I don't know if that'll be a part of this vlog or not yet, but it's going to be a video. So And another thing, the Falcons won their game this weekend. So that's the extra plate for me. How does that correlate? It don't matter. But I said what I said. And Auntie Chef, you made some banana pudding. You know I need my own tray. Today's my last day with these braids, y'all. I haven't even had these braids long. My hair grows so freaking fast. It makes no sense. Shout out to Miss Quista. Love you down. Eat on the braids every time. They gotta go, y'all. I can't do nothing with them. They gotta go.
I finally learned how to trip out. Y'all can't tell me nothing.
I usually don't show what I be getting for Christmas, but I'm gonna show y'all a little something, just a little.
And y'all ain't finna try to catch me lacking, so I ain't showing y'all nothing expensive.
They got the biggies. Mirror for the biggies. A wig head for me, cause y'all know what I be doing if you watch me. I also put this tree up. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Like, I ate that up, and y'all, it took patience, perseverance, and so many jumps to put that up. I swear to you. They said they went on a Mario. But Mario downstairs on the couch, so what's really Tito? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Why you... What?
Please?
Fine, fine.
You still ain't seen what's going on in NCAA, man. He ain't had me yet.
Let's go.
Man, ain't running.
Y'all, look. I got a camera.
You got what? She got a camera, girl.
Oh.
Okay.
Look. It's cute, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Oh. You're so fast.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's from Jonestown. Clip going crazy. Way
Where's
going
her
stupid.
hair?
You feel me?
You look bald.
I look bald. You can't say that on the camera, actually. We got a spoiled rotten baby.
Right. That's ain't
And the grandma that spoils and rotten.
Whatever. You got Sprite now?
A chicken!
What did it say?
That's the juice.
Oh, you get. Oh no. You rose. You say naughty.
Yeah,
But it's the next day, and I did fall asleep after eating my plate. I'm not gonna lie. I ate so fast, I didn't even have time to record the plate. It's been a while.
Yes. Yes, it has. I'm ready for don't get too close to my
So
face.
big. Yeah, just walk away.
It's okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Hey. You tried to bake the cake.
It took a minute. If y'all don't follow me on TikTok, y'all need to get to it. We on live having conversations. Okay, so y'all know I've been trying to finish my room for the last few days. Why do all my family members have their kids in December? I'm going to another birthday dinner. Another birthday party. Like, okay, y'all. From now on, everybody needs to get pregnant in the winter so we can have more fun in the summer. I'm like the only one with a summer birthday. Me and Kyla. That's it. Don't do this no more. Spare me.
My apologies.
I ain't too old, y'all. I still got what I want. Yup. We're finna go get a hydration treatment. And my camera's dying. I have to change the camera. And I'm rushing. do something. Let's do something. It's the new year. It's the new year. Y'all don't want me to cut my hair no more. Y'all want me to let my hair grow out. Some gotta give, because y'all know I like cutting my hair back to my shoulders or to my chin. One. And I actually got here a little early. I'm like 15 minutes early, so I'm about to go in. Happy New Year! Give me more chicken! Y'all know I say everything with my chest, but I want to put emphasis on this right here. Don't be going into the new year with that tree up. It's not a Valentine's Day tree. It's not a New Year's tree. It's a Christmas tree. Take that down. Take it down. Take it down. You can't justify that. See, I ain't used to all this. We usually get a real tree and we just throw it in the trash can. But I digress.
Am I tripping? I know that ain't no kid.
Hey.
It was literally a little boy screaming hey at me. He can't even see over the balcony.
But yeah, I came outside because, like, I always get the question, why you act like that? And as we go into another year, I still got the same answer. It's not an act. I act like this, but it's not an act. Hey, tell y'all dog to come on, though. Sassy. Ooh, I think she needs some privacy. Never mind, y'all. Okay. It's a good little bit of stuff. Yeah. 10 out of 10. And it's real soft. Like, I won't have to worry about being cold. I almost forgot to show y'all this because I'm trying to do a reel for Instagram and do my vlog at the same time. So, I got this shirt in a medium. This one is a little thinner than the last one, but it's still warm. I have these leggings in a medium. They are scrunch. They scrunch up, y'all. They fit like skin. It's like make me kind of want to get a large, but I know if I get a large, it ain't gonna fit right. Because I'm only 5'2", and I hate baggy stuff. But I did get the leggings in chocolate, gray, and then I got on black. And then the shirt, I got the brown. And I got this vanilla looking color. I got this sweater for my Tuesdays when it's cold. Cause cause what other reason would I buy this for? Like, come on now, y'all, be for real. And the last thing I got is these pants. I got these in a small. Size is very wishing. You really need to pay attention to the measurements because, yeah. These was just a random pick. I ain't gonna lie.
Surprisingly extra. She's like the news, you know, like extra, extra, read all about it.
You see the cheetah print? Just how we go into the new year.
That's my tree. Like, that tree goes in my room. No.
Cheers. We're dropping the child off. Say bye to the kings and queens, child.
Bye, guys.
She wants y'all to see her hair because she finally in.
No. I'm finna get out of the car. You not finna play me like that.
Oh, my bad. Too far? Oh, my
yes,
bad.
too
Oh, my
far,
bad.
because I can get on you and you don't want me to.
Girl, close that
Right.
door. You can't get on nothing. Like, what? Child, please.
Secure the bag, Andy.
But when you wear boots like that, put the other one on. Put the other one on. Got strut.
Oh,
Put the other one on.
You didn't see that?
your YPN and everything.
Okay. This is my real wallet.
I
See
didn't
what
feel
y'all don't know? I did a little modeling back in my day.
You know what?
Okay. It's winter time. It's time to pop that.
Hello.
I'm putting y'all down. This my order. Try
So
it.
this is a Big Zack snack, go big, but you want to have the tender sauce and sweet and spicy sauce, and then you want to get the orange high C. What is that sauce on the side?
Try it. Y'all, what if they close Victoria's Secret one day? Like, I swear, I'm going to lose my mind. I really hope they never close. I really hope they never close. Like, whatever y'all do, don't close down. Don't close down. What's that Queen Aja song? Space won't help neither one of us. We're at the square one, I guess. If y'all had to close, go back to square one and come up with a solution. Because we don't got time for that. Y'all see me regularly. Okay? Every time I think about you leaving, I go insane. I can't walk away from you, away from you, away from you, baby. I can walk away from you, away from you, even if I wanted to. 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 Wanted to. Alright, $5 per minute for that concert. Run me my coins.
Okay, now y'all, so it's now January 5th, and I was gone for most of the weekend, but when I came back home, I saw that my lights were put up for me, period. Because I was going to beg my dad to do it anyways, because I really want to try to do it. But let's get into it, because I'm really messing with it, for real.
Right. What?
Sometimes I just walk up to my mama and do this to get on her nerves. Just sometimes.
You win. Like, why? Why? Oh, I was feeling a little childish. Had to get it out. Why?
Whenever I come home, I get to act like a kid somewhat, so I just be doing stuff to get on my mama's nerves. That's what the last clip was. But yeah, my room is still not complete. I will update y'all in the next video that I post on how my room look. But for now, yeah, we got the LED lights up, new bedding, rearrange the furniture, new curtains and stuff. I'll probably do a picture wall. I don't really know yet. But my Christmas break is almost over, so
I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This is the end of this vlog. You know, like, this is my version of Vlogmas because I couldn't do that posting every day. I just didn't have it in me. Okay? And yeah, so I gave y'all my Christmas break. It's now the last week and I'm have to start preparing to go back to school. So work. Y'all still got a month worth of footage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss no videos. Follow me on Instagram at Miss.Amaraj. That's MS.AMARAJ. And my YouTube Instagram at Queensworld TV. That's at QUEENSWORLD TV_. Are they really staring at me while I'm trying to do my outro? Anyways, be blessed.